This week we take our buddy Fleetwood's Catalina 25 to the boatyard for a haul out. Repair the infamous Catalina smile, sand everything down, and give her 5 new coats of barrier, 3 coats of anti-fouling bottom paint, repaint the hull, and give her new boot stripes. The transformation of this boat is amazing, and she looks and feels brand new once we finished. Out here on a Saturday morning for what will hopefully be the final day in the boatyard on my good friend Fleetwood's boat. No, it's a 25-foot Catalina. Repaired the Catalina smile on the keel, and 1 final coat of barrier coat, and then we can do bottom paint. So hopefully we can splash down Monday morning and put this boatyard experience to bed until we pull Kaya out and get Kaya done. And we will be pulling Kaya out and putting her on the hard in the yard, hopefully sometime in the spring. During the winter time, they get a lot of charters and commercial boats in here in the winter, so want to wait till those guys get done and get ready for their season next year. And as soon as they start pulling out here in late winter, hopefully we can bring Kaya in and get Kaya all done and nice and pretty. Boatyard work's always rough, so, but at least it's done, and it's satisfying at the end of it, no matter how hard it is. Just like anything else in life, when you start getting that downhill point, or you get or finished, I mean, that's extremely satisfying. So hopefully today it'll be the last. Oh, we got peacocks in the yard. That's pretty cool. Such neat birds. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you know, while I was thinking about it, I did want to go over a couple things real quick in regards to bottom paint and boat work when you're on the hard. The previous owner at one point had just sanded down the bottom paint and barrier coated again, and then bottom painted again. And it made it really difficult. One, it's wrong, and it made it really difficult to get this job done. So it's important to know, you know, if you're gonna do bottom paint, if you're gonna do barrier coat again, you know, you gotta get that bottled bottom paint sanded off and get it all sanded down, cleaned up, and then, you know, follow the schedule on your barrier coat. So in this case, with this barrier coat, the Interlux, it was, you know, 5 coats, and thickness is actually more important than the coats. So, you know, they call for a 10 mil thickness of barrier, and that's pretty thick. So you want to make sure you get all those coats done, and then you can do your bottom paint. Also important to make sure that you know, once you do that final coat of barrier, that you lay that bottom paint on and not wait, you know, days on days to do that. If you wait too long after your barrier coat to put your bottom paint on, bottom paint's probably going to fall off in the water. At least it's definitely not going to last. So, you know, make sure you follow the schedules to properly take care of the bottom of your boat. That's super important. So that was my only point on this.
Damn, that looks good.
It's great to be done and heading back to our home marina. It's amazing how different she looks and feels on the water, and can't wait to help get the sails back on and put her into the wind. She really does look like a brand new boat. Fleet, Mark, and everyone at Miller Marine here in Panama City did an amazing job over the past couple weeks. I'm not sure what's in store for next week yet, but want to quickly thank all of our supporters, subscribers, and sponsors for helping the Kaya mission move forward. We seriously could not do this without all of you.